Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by Luvme Hair Company. Thank you so much, Luvme Hair Company, for sponsoring today's video. As y'all can see, you guys, I am glowing. I am glowing, and let me tell you something. I want to show you something. This wig is Glueless. It came like this, Glueless. Nothing was done to this wig. Okay, like the lace was cut for me, by the way. It was styled for me. So this is a pre-everything wig, okay? So you gotta get yourself this wig. These curls, guys, they came like this. Look, I can run my fingers through the curls and they still just bounce back. That's when you know that you are working with a quality wig. And this, baby, this is quality. And when I talk, guys, my wig must move. Okay? My wig must move. When I am dancing in the club or praising the Lord, my wig must move. Okay? Luvme Hair made sure of that. Look at that. Look at the bang. It is layered. It is a layered body wave. Okay? Look, are you seeing the bang, guys? Are you seeing that? It is banging. It is gorgeous. I am gorgeous.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss.
So guys, I'm quickly going to show you what to expect when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company. This is their box, okay? Let's unbox and show you guys what is inside. The first thing that you're gonna find is this little love note from Helena, the founder of Luvme Hair. It says, "We know switching it up is everything, so unbox the love." Okay, I'm seeing the hair. Look at this. Okay, let me just show you guys the other goodies. Okay, they were kind enough to send me this wig storage bag, branded Luvme Hair comb, a Luvme Hair edge brush and edge comb combo, hair clip, and of course a brown wig cap. And now, do you see how it is, guys? So this means it is pre-styled. Okay, you can see the curls. Guys, you can see, né? Before I open it, I think y'all can see. This is how it looks straight from the box. Luvme Hair said you don't have to do much, okay? So if you're a beginner, this wig is for you. Look at this. Look at this. You can see that it is pre-styled, pre-bleached. Bona. I am excited for this wig. Oh, stunning. The curls are nice and bouncy. Look. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It is pre-cut. Guys, I don't have to do anything to this wig. It is pre-cut. Guys, look. Look at that. And it is a pre-max lace closure wig, meaning it has a bigger lace. It is a 7x6 closure wig. And this is how it is looking. The knots are pre-bleached and it is a breathable. So if your scalp is itchy, baby girl, you don't have to take out the wig. All you need to do is just scratch your wig like a normal person, okay? So this is a layered body wave, and of course they pre-curled it, they pre-styled it. So I'm really impressed. Look at this, guys. The curls are nice and bouncy, and oh, this is beautiful, okay? I am obsessed with this wig. I also love the C-part. Look how elongated that C-part is. It does show that the wig's lace is actually nice and big. So the wig has 3 clips, 2 on the side and 1 here at the back. It also has this adjustable band. So let me just adjust it. This is how easy it is to adjust this wig according to your wig size, according to your head size, okay? So guys, I'm going to put on the wig, but please do not forget to check the description box for more information, and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from Luvme Hair Company. This is how gorgeous it is looking straight out of the box. I'm really not going to do much, so if you're a beginner, get yourself this lovely wig. It is nice and bouncy, okay? It is doing what it's supposed to be doing, period. Wow. The lace just disappeared. Oof. Oof. This is gorgeous. The lace just disappeared, okay? This is it, straight from the box. I did not do anything to it. Look at the bang, guys. It is layered nicely, okay? It is giving one eye. Please talk to me nice. Wow. The fact that the lace is just disappeared, it's crazy.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
Guys, I need sure, you know, like, I love nice things. I always say I love nice things, okay? And this week is nice, okay? Like, are you aware that I'm not going to be doing anything to this wig? Are you guys aware that this wig came pre-curled? Look at the curls, guys. They are doing what they're supposed to be doing. Look at the layers of this wig. Look at this. Look at this bang. It is banging for sure. Like, it is doing what it's like. It is gorgeous. They styled it so well, and I'm impressed. Ah, wow. I'm looking beautiful. I know, I'm looking beautiful. I know when I'm wearing a Love Me hair wig, I know for sure that I'm going to be turning heads. I know for sure that, you know what, I am going to be looking this gorgeous the whole day. And when I am wearing a Love Me hair wig, I know that I look nice. I know that I look good. Okay, like, this is beginner friendly. You don't have to do much. You really don't have to do anything. The only thing that I did was just to unbox the Love, and I put on the wig on my head, and this is how gorgeous I am looking. You don't have to do much, okay? Like, get yourself a Love Me hair wig, period. Guys, are you seeing the layers? Are you seeing these layers? These layers are gonna make this wig to stay like this for a very long time, you know, without me having to touch it up, you know, because the layers are layering, guys. The layers are layering. As you all can see, I can run my fingers through this wig and the curls are bouncing and the curls are still looking gorgeous. Can you guys see that? Do you see this? Because they layered it well. Love Me Hair did such a great job with this wig. I'm obsessed.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, do follow me on Instagram at Curly Memes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information if you are interested in purchasing this gorgeous wig from Love Me Hair Company. Until next time, you guys, bye bye.